Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to copy your YouTube channel link or URL just so you're able to share it in like social media or to text it to somebody and stuff like that when you're on your phone. Obviously it's very easy to do on the computer because you could just copy the barcode at the top, but on your phone it's a little bit more complex. So if you're looking to add it to a story or add it to social media or text to a friend, this is exactly how you do it. So all you need to do is open up the YouTube application and then just head over to your account's profile picture and click on your channel. Then once you're on your channel here, you just have to look for the three dots in the top right corner. This will be on iPhones. But yeah, if you just click on the three dots in the top right corner and you click on share, and you can just click on copy link, it will now copy the link to your clipboard on your phone, and now you can go ahead and post it to social media. So I'll go here and post it to my account here. And we can just add it, edit profile, and then website, you can just post your link to YouTube right here. And click done. And it's as easy as that. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.